Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kivis Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Ford Ranger XL dual cab ute, stock reference number 4620. This shape runs from the 6-month 2011 and is the current shape. There's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained minor damage in the right hand front. It's got a X-Rock dash plate, slight damage with all bolts and brackets, still may be usable. It's fitted with aftermarket 16-inch steel rims, sold as a set. Left power door mirror, left front door has 2 dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim, sold as a set. Flat tyre, left hand tail light. It's got an aftermarket canopy supplied with all bolts, brackets, less keys. It does require a rear screen. Aftermarket storage drawers. Right hand tail light. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right door 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch steel wheel with a good tyre. We've got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, manual type console, 4-wheel drive type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.